Okay, we had a little project here. A friend had had this in a box. It was all taken apart, and they had started to strip it, and they stripped a lot of it. Most of it was stripped, and so we had to put it back together. And you can come in closer to look at this. So the challenge was you can't put one side together and the other side together at a time. You need to put it all together at once because these need to be twisted the right angle to make sure everything connects. So we had to put glue on everything, make sure everything fit first. Luckily, it was numbered like 1, 2, 3, 4, so we knew where things went. So then we had to basically put glue on every joint, start putting it together, and then use clamps. So we clamped it right in here, and then across here. And the first thing we did, once we got it all together without the clamps, we put these screws back in the bottom. So at least we knew that was set. Then we were able to bring the clamps together and get it right. And then we flipped it right side up on a flat surface to make sure it was not crooked or something. And my table saw is straight from nice and flat from here to here, so that made a good surface. So now we're almost done oiling. Let me just put a little bit on the top there to show you. So we decided to leave, it's not totally stripped, so you have a combination, kind of have a historic look, you know, maybe it was originally was painted. So now we have some painted area, we have some real wood area, some exposed wood area, and I'm not sure, it kind of looks like a pine, but it's a little harder, so it's not white pine. Maybe it's it's not hemlock. I don't think it's spruce. And actually the top looks a little different than the legs. So you have this darker wood here, but you have lighter wood here. So I think what it is, it's a couple, probably 3 different species of wood. And it's going to be a nice little stand for maybe some drinks on the deck. So basically, it took a little time putting it together, but it's nice and solid now, and I think it looks pretty sharp, and it gives you a little some good character. And that's it.